Let us learn how to make creamy Oreo cheesecake. First you have to take some digestive biscuit and some butter. I think everybody knows this step, so I make this fast forward so that you can just make them and set in a ring and keep it aside. On other end, you take some agar-agar and some castor sugar, mix nicely. Make sure you take a hot water and keep aside. On other end, you take a mixing bowl, then you put your cream cheese and sugar and beat it nicely. Keep beating it till it's creamy texture. Once you feel that it's creamy enough, then add some cooking cream. That will make it more smooth. Keep beating. Now you take some milk chocolate truffle, and in the milk chocolate truffle add your hot agar-agar. Make sure you reheat inside the micro or boil it in a pan so that it will work nicely, and add this mixture to your cream cheese mixture. Again you beat it nicely. Once you feel this mix properly, then take your whipped cream. You can add the whipped cream in two parts. If you are using a double cream, that would be more better, so you'll get a very smooth and creamy texture. Here I am using a non-dairy whipped cream. You can do the same. Now pour this mixture half of your ring on the base of digestive biscuit. Now I'm putting some crumble of Oreo and some KitKat. Then the remaining cheesecake mixture I'm putting on top and allowing it to set inside the fridge. Minimum 4 hours is required. Now on top I'm using some mixture of KitKat and Oreo and some neutral gel just to make it a fill on top. If you wish, you can do that, or you can just remove that as well. Rest it inside the fridge, take it out, use a heat gun to remove the ring. Keep heating on the sides and it will start leaving. If you feel it's require more, do again. Now we'll see it's coming out easily. Yes. So it's time for garnishing a lovely Oreo cheesecake with a crunchy effect. I'm slicing some Oreo biscuits from middle, taking some KitKat also for garnishing. Cut into half as the cake is small, so I'm making it half. Doing a piping of whipped cream on top and garnish with Oreo biscuits and KitKat. Yes, beautiful texture of a cheesecake, a creamy. Now it's time for slicing it. So beautiful the texture it is. So if you like the recipe, do try at home and give us a comment.